Hey, welcome to this video on Aaron cover letter ChatGPT plugin. This generates an impressive cover letters using resume and job details, and it's ideal for any job seeker looking for active employment. So in today's competitive job market, it is important than ever to make a first strong impression. So while your resume provides the snapshot of your skill and experience, your cover letter is a chance to showcase your personality, passion, and fit for any given role. In this video, we explore why cover letters are essential in the digital age and how this plugin enables you to write one which makes you stand out from rest of the competition in the crowd. So here are a few reasons why I think you need a cover letter for your job application. A cover letter allows you to tailor your application to a specific job you are applying for. This demonstrates to the employer you have taken time and interest to research the company and position, and you are genuinely interesting about this opportunity. So previously, when we were at a peak labor market, I think many of them skipped the cover letters because any one of them who was turning out of an interview and met the criteria was being offered because it was a very tight labor market. As we move into 2024, the labor market is expected to soften, and this is where your differentiation skills like cover letter comes into play. So cover letter also gives you the opportunity to highlight your most relevant skills and experience. Your resume may have a lot of information, but your cover letter can draw the attention to the specific skills and experience which make you the perfect fit for the job. A cover letter is your chance to show your personality and writing skills. This is where you can let your voice shine and give employer a sense of who you are as a person. A cover letter helps overcome any gaps in your resume. If you have any gaps in your employment history or in transitioning from one particular type of role into another or across industries, a cover letter can explain why this gap exists and how skills and experience are you have gained in other roles and other sectors are relevant to this job. In short, a cover letter is essential part of your job application. It's your first chance to make a strong first impression, showcase your skills and experience, and show the employer why you are the best candidate for the job. So coming back to this, Aaron cover letter, this assists job seekers in creating professional cover letters by utilizing details from their resume and job applications they are applying to. This plugin for ChatGPT streamlines the cover letter writing process, making it suitable for anyone looking to enhance their job application with a personalized and an impactful cover letter with a very short duration of time. So if you keep reading the job description, think through and write your own cover letter, it's a time consuming process. And especially if you are in a bad labor market, you would be doing more interviews, you would be interacting with more firms, you would be taking more time for preparation as competition is hot. So this plugin helps you reduce the time needed to write a cover letter. So coming back to this, I'll attach the link. We are using a fake resume, it's not mine. Something about some program management experience which involves Jira, CI/CD, long-term component-based architecture, and all the other skills. These are the skill set you can see. So basically, I've also taken a similar role from Tesla. And what we are going to do is the first step, as you always know, go in here to plugins and type cover letter. So this is the one we are using, which is Aaron's cover letter. I have installed this plugin already, and that's the first step. The second step, to enable that plugin. And after we are done with it, I'll just show you how to use the flow, and then we'll actually look at the demo. We have installed the plugin. The second is I need to ask ChatGPT, hey, I need to upload my resume for the cover letter. So if you're going to type it, the plugin will give you a unique link here. So in this unique link, just click. It will give you this one here. So all I have to do is I have this plugin here where I have just put this resume we looked at here in a Word, and I've uploaded it. So once this is done, you need to tell the plugin you are done uploading it. Okay, so it now has it. So I'll just mention here I have uploaded my resume for engineering program manager mega pack at Tesla, and here is the job description, and in the description, so basically just copy through all of it here till here, and basically that's it. So let's see. So we have given all the essential details about the job here, and once we it says the URL, but I've tried it. It does not actually read the URL. It will again prompt you to give the link. That's why I've done it. So let's see if it has any further details from us. So cool. It got the URL too for the job, and we have given the job description. So, and it has the salary, all the benefits, and the skills needed for this job. It basically says BOM structures, supply chain, software practices, record keeping and organization skills, release cycles, product design cycles, maintaining and communicating schedules, and all the other stuff, right? So let's look at it once it's done. Okay. So as I've already told you, whenever we use plugins, it's done by third-party developers. So sometimes it may be robust. Sometimes if they are using any third-party API, there might be some connection issues or error. Whenever you hit any of them, so just make sure you click on retry and it should get sorted. Okay, so it gave me a link. If I click on the link, it won't allow me to download. Here is why. It says this. So I will just mention this back to it here. Can you generate cover letter here? Download has this pop-up, and let me just mention that here. So yeah, it didn't give me the if you want, you can buy now and use it, which is $9 per month. I don't want to pay $9, so I'm not using this. So it gave me the contents here, and if you want it, you can discuss in the chat and change certain aspects of it. Iterate here this one, and you can also mention if you want to give different prompts. I also have some prompts here, and once everything looks good, just copy into Word or your PDF writer if you are an Adobe premium user, or do it in Word, convert it to PDF, whatever you are going to do, and submit for the job your cover letter. So this is one of the ways and one of the plugins to actually generate a cover letter. I hope this was useful. Thank you for joining.